Hi everyone, a plus 2ab plus b equal to 90. We are to find the value of a plus b. Let's get down the question first. A plus 2ab plus b is equal to 90. The first thing we are going to do is to multiply both sides by 2. So that will be 2 into a plus 2ab plus b equal to 2 times 90. Let's open this bracket. 2 times a, 2a plus 2 times 2ab, 4ab plus 2 times b, 2b equal to 2 times 90, that is simply 180. Let's continue. You will see that we can factor out 2a from these two guys. Doing that, we have 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 2b equal to 180. The next thing we have to do is to add 1 to both sides so that we'll be able to factor out 1 plus 2b. Add 1 to both sides. Doing that, we have 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 1 that we are adding. So we have 1 plus 2b equal to 1 plus 180. This means that 2a into 1 plus 2b plus, I can put these guys in brackets. So that will be 1 plus 2b equal to 1 plus 180. That is 181. Let's continue. What do you notice here? You will notice that 1 plus 2b is common. I can factor it out. So that will be 1 plus 2b times 2a plus, that will be 1 equal to 181. At this stage, let us consider 181 in the set of integers. 181. So consider 181. 181 could be written as 181 times 1. 181 can also be written as 1 times 181. 181 can also be written as, welcome. We can also rewrite 181 as minus 181 times minus 1. 181 could be written as minus 1 times minus 181. Let's call this case 1 and this case 2. This one case 3 and this case 4. We will now consider each of these cases. Let us consider the first case first. For case 1, we have 181 to be equal to 181 times 1. 181 is equal to 181 times 1. That means we will replace this right hand side 181 with what? With 181 times 1. Doing that, we have 1 plus 2b times 2a plus 1 equal to, in place of 181, we write 181 times 1. 181 times 1. Now, let us compare. Comparing. So if we compare, 1 plus 2b will be equal to 181, while 2a plus 1 will be equal to 1. So that is 1 plus 2b is equal to 181, and 2a plus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 1. From this line, it is obvious 2b equal to 181 minus 1, 2b equal to 180. Divide both sides by 2, b is equal to 90. Now, from this line, 2a is equal to 1 minus 1, 2a equal to 0. Divide both sides by 2, a is equal to 0. But our goal is to find what? A plus b. So let us simply add the value we got. A is 0 plus b is 90. A plus b is equal to 0 plus 90, that is 90. This is the first solution. A plus b is equal to 90. Now, let us consider case 2. Case 2 is 181 is equal to 1 times 181. For case 2, 181 is equal to 1 times 181. Let me show you what we want to do now. We just want to replace this 181 by 1 times 181 in this expression. Let us do that. So we have 1 plus 2b times 2a plus 1 equal to 1 times 181. Let us compare as usual. Compare. 1 plus 2b has to be equal to 1, while 2a plus 1 will be equal to 181. 1 plus 2b is equal to 1. 2a plus 1 is equal to 181. From this line, 2b equal to 1 minus 1. 2b equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. Divide both sides by 2, b is equal to 0. Also from this line, 2a equal to, moving 1 to the right hand side, 181 minus 1. 2a equals to 181 minus 1, that is 180. If you divide both sides by 2, a is equal to 90. But don't forget, our goal is to find the value of a plus b. So let us do that. A is 90 plus yb is what? 0. A plus b is equal to 90 plus 0, that is 90. This is another value of a plus b, which is the same thing as what we got for the first case. Now, let us consider case 3. For case 3, what we have to do is to replace this particular 181 with what? With minus 181 times minus 1. So let us do that now. So let's manage this. For case 3, that's the third case, 181 is equals to this. 181 is equal to minus 181 times minus 1. So replacing this 181 by this, we simply have 1 plus 2b times 2a plus 1 equal to minus 181 times minus 1. So let us compare. If we compare, 1 plus 2b will be equal to minus 181 and 2a plus 1 will be equal to minus 1. 1 plus 2b equal to minus 181 and 2a plus 1 is equal to minus 1. From this line, 2b equal to minus 181. When we transfer 1 to the right hand side, that becomes minus 1. 2b equal to minus 181 minus 1, that is minus 182. If we divide both sides by 2, we simply have b equal to minus 91. Now let us consider this. Moving 1 to the right hand side, 2a is equals to minus 1 minus 1. 2a equal to minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. Divide both sides by 2, a equals to minus 1. But our goal is to find the value of a plus b. So let us add. A is negative 1 plus b is minus 91. A plus b equal to minus 1 plus times minus, that is minus 91. Clearly, a plus b equal to minus 1 minus 91, that is minus 92. This is another value of a plus b. Now, last but not the least, let us consider the fourth case. Case 4. Case 4, what we have to do is to replace this 181 with minus 1 times minus 181. Let's do that quickly. So that will be for case 4, 181 is equals to minus 1 times minus 181. So we're going to have 1 plus 2b times 2a plus 1 equal to what? Equal to this. Minus 1 times minus 181. If we compare as usual, compare 1 plus 2b will be equals to this, while 2a plus 1 will be equals to minus 181. 1 plus 2b equal to minus 1, and 2a plus 1 is equal to minus 181. From this line, 2b equal to minus 1 minus 1, 2b equal to minus 1, that is minus 2. Divide both sides by 2, b is clearly equal to minus 1. Now, from this line, we have 2a equal to minus 181 minus 1, 2a equal to minus 181 minus 1, that is minus 182. If you divide both sides by 2, a is clearly equal to minus 91. But our main goal is to find what? Is to find a plus b. A is what? A is minus 91 plus b is negative 1. A plus b is equal to minus 91 plus that is minus, that is minus 1. A plus B is equals to minus 91 minus 1, that is minus 92. This is another value of what? Of A plus B. A plus B is equals to minus 92. You will deduce that from all the four cases, the first value of A plus B that we got is A plus B is equals to, let me show you, the first value that we got, A plus B is equals to 90. Also in the second case, we got the same answer, A plus B is equals to 90. So let us write it down. A plus B is equals to 90. Also, A plus B is equals to, let us check the third case. Okay, it's here. Third case, we got A plus B to be equals to minus 92. And also in the fourth case, A plus B equals to minus 92. So we have A plus B to be equals to minus 92. You will see that we have two distinct solutions for this algebra problem. That is, when A and B belongs to the set of integers, A plus B is equals to 90 or A plus B equals to minus 92. That was it for this video.